Hello there, beautiful family. Welcome back to my channel. And today, by the title, you know that I'm going to talk to you about the curly girl method. So why did I cancel it? Why did I stop following it? And if you should cancel it as well. Now, if you want to know, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button and you become part of the Famiri, which is Surinamese for family, and that's what we call our squad up in here. And if you're really loyal, like DJ Khaled loyal, you will also ring the notification bell, and then you will always know when I upload a new video. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up, for those of us who don't know what the curly girl method is, well, the curly girl method is a method for curly hair, like the name says, but it's to help you understand how to take care of your hair, to make it more manageable, more moisturized, and also to get better curl definition. It was developed by Lorraine Massey, and she introduced it in her book, The Curly Girl Handbook. I followed the curly girl method for years and years and years. Some of my first few videos on YouTube were about the curly girl method. I will link them in the iCard, so you will not hear me saying that the curly girl method is dumb, because I'm not stupid. I'm not gonna follow something for years that is dumb. But there were some things that turned me off that you should consider as well. So in a nutshell, what you do with the curly girl method, you avoid shampoos to not dry out your hair. And because you're not using shampoos, you can't use certain products that have ingredients that need shampoos to get them out of your hair. If you use those products like mineral oil, silicones, heavy butters where you need shampoo to remove it, but you're not using shampoo, what's gonna happen? You're gonna have buildup and your hair is gonna be dry. So you avoid shampoos, you avoid silicones and other ingredients. I've been doing this for years. I've had certain benefits from the curly girl method. Number one, it made me more aware of ingredients, and I will always be grateful about that. Even though I still use silicones now from time to time, it made me more aware of what I'm putting on my head. Another benefit of the curly girl method, I feel, is that for what they knew at the time, the book is very extensive. You have a lot of practical ways to take care of your hair, to increase curl definition, a lot of DIY potions to take care of your hair. So I would certainly say, if you're looking for a place to start, a good guideline to start, the curly girl method was a very good place for me to start. And now to, you know, what I feel the curly girl method is kind of lacking. I've been on the curly girl method, not very strictly, from 2013, 2012, 2013, up until last year, 2018. If you are OG Famiri, you've noticed that I realized last year that my hair is low porosity, and I need shampoo to clean my hair. I need shampoo to lift the cuticles of my hair so that my hair will more readily accept moisture. So this is the point where I feel like the curly girl method didn't work for me anymore. Because the number one thing about the curly girl method is you avoid shampoos. But with low porosity hair, I'm finding out I need shampoo to effectively moisturize my hair. And I feel like the curly girl handbook, the curly girl method, did not take low porosity hair into account, and that they need, you know, something with a higher pH to lift the cuticles. And the easiest way to lift the cuticles is through shampoo. The easiest and non-damaging way is through shampoos. So to be honest, that is for me the number one reason why I have canceled the curly girl method. It just didn't work for me anymore. Now the question, if you should cancel it, I would say if you know that your hair is low porosity, I don't think the curly girl method is gonna be for you, because you need that shampoo. If you look at your hair, if you just stand under the shower, warm water runs through your hair, and you find that water is just ricocheting off your hair, it's not penetrating the strands, then you actually need shampoo to lift the cuticles, and then the curly girl method is probably not going to work for you. So for years I have been skipping shampoos and not effectively moisturizing my hair. So people, I think that if you are medium porosity, high porosity, that actually the curly girl method is gonna be amazing for you. You're gonna see amazing results. A lot of people see amazing results. But once again, if you are low porosity, well, that's probably not, she probably ain't gonna be that chick for you, okay? So once again, try to figure out what your hair porosity is. If you're having a hard time with that, I'm gonna link a playlist that I made on hair porosity. I have some of my own videos, and I have some videos of other people who know a lot more than I do. So enjoy. That's it for today. Just quick and informational, because some of y'all been complaining that I talk a lot. So here you go, a short video, okay? You happy? Anyway, so I will see you the next time in the next video. I'm gonna link a fun video right here, so you know, for the people who have abandonment issues. So while you click it, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Have an amazing day, you wonderful human being, and follow me on Instagram though, at Minerva Joy 13. Yes, I'll see you there. Bye.